Hello, Unity community. This is Inri here, and I'd like to share with you today's daily word, which is luminous. And our affirmation today is, I shine the infinite light of God. When the world feels dark, I remember there is light within me. So much more than positivity or optimism, my inner light is the presence of God. The conditions of the world have no power over me because I am one with God. My heart light and my outlook bright, I am the calm in the chaos, the peace in the discord, and the understanding in the confusion. My commitment to shining my light helps me find the light in others. I see past our differences and our conflicts to discover in them what I feel in myself: peace, goodness, and the light of God. Together we are luminous, shining bright, and dispelling the darkness. And today's scripture is, for it is God who said, let light shine out of the darkness, who has shone in our hearts to give the light of the knowledge of the glory of God in the face of Jesus Christ. And that's from 2 Corinthians 4:6. Thank you.